I often see husband and wife targeting each other, attacking each other, competing with each other. We're not supposed to target each other or compete with each other. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created both husband and wife with their clear job description and their clear-cut roles in the household and in the community. He created us to complement each other. At nikah, you must have listened to so many nikah khwans or imams and shayukh telling you that husband and wives are created to actually provide sakina to each other. And another aspect that we actually shield each other. Husband and wife are a shield for each other, are a garment to each other. And why would Allah say so? Because we shield each other against evil, against shaitan, against desires, against wrongdoings, because we protect each other, beautify each other, we complement each other. So if we actually look at each other as competitors, we can never have a good relationship and good sync between us. We cannot have good syncing, good alignment between this relationship, this spark relationship that is formed in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly said that nikah is my sunnah. Not only having nikah as part of his sunnah, but having a good relationship, for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is also part of the sunnah.